How to check blocked phone numbers on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can check blocked numbers on iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your settings app. After you're there, scroll down all the way till you find apps. Tap on apps, and from here you'll need to search for the phone app. Search for the phone app, you can head over to the P section right there. Now, before we move on to the next step, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's continue. Now head over to the phone app. After you're on the phone app, scroll down. And after you've scrolled down, at the end, you'll find blocked contacts right around here. Tap on blocked contacts and you should see the list of people that you have blocked already. And you can also add new by tapping on add new, and you'll get the list of your contacts and you can choose anyone that you want to block. And that's how you can block and how you can check the block list of your iPhone. Thanks for watching. That's basically it for today. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye. Take care.